Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. If you're planning to fly your aircraft at night, you're required to have position lighting, but it's also a good idea to have landing lights to not only make it easier for you, but also makes the aircraft a lot more visible in flight for other aircraft to see you and then also in the landing pattern. There's a company called Duckworks that manufactures kits for landing lights on small aircraft. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how I installed their LED landing light kits in the leading edges of the Sonex aircraft that I'm building. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching.